Have you ever wondered why billionaires are secretly pouring millions into research about tiny plant eaters? Today, we reveal the shocking connection between massive financial investments and the terrifying power of grasshopper swarms. Let's start with the basics. While usually harmless, certain species of grasshoppers transform into locusts under specific circumstances. When these millions swarm together, they become a devastating force capable of destroying vast areas of cereal crops and pastures overnight. This threat has attracted serious attention from high-net-worth individuals. In recent financial reports, we see obscure firms connected to powerful families receiving over $100 million in secret investments specifically targeting solutions for these biological threats. The technology behind this involves advanced habitat management. Scientists are now examining techniques like controlled burning or strategic livestock grazing to manipulate the rangeland quality, effectively disrupting the environment needed for locust outbreaks. This isn't just about agriculture, it's about global food security. By manipulating the habitat available for grasshoppers and their primary predators, investors aim to reduce outbreaks that could otherwise wipe out entire harvests of vegetables and cereals. The stakes are incredibly high. As we saw in late 2024 and early 2025, some investment portfolios related to these sectors grew enormously, proving that controlling a single insect species is now seen as a critical component of modern economic stability. So, the secret isn't about the bugs themselves, but about the billions needed to protect our food supply. Billionaires understand that when grasshoppers swarm, they don't just eat plants, they threaten the global economy. You now know why protecting our crops requires billion-dollar strategies against tiny insects. What other agricultural secrets are billionaires funding? Let me know in the comments and subscribe for more deep dives into hidden financial power.